everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and as you can see from the title, today we're going to be tackling the house. Nothing too hectic, nothing too serious, so it's just a slow type of day with just loads of cleaning motivation, but nothing too heavy. So if you're looking for that, today's video is just for you. I'm just going to tackle a few things, just your everyday cleaning. So you can grab your cleaning products and clean along with me, or you can grab your tea and drink and watch me as I clean. So I'm going to start off in the kitchen. Like I said, it's just a normal type of day, everyday things that need to be put away, and I'm just going to tackle that first. I always start in the kitchen. As you can see, it's not too heavy, it's just your everyday tasks. I will be doing a more intense motivation type of video in the next couple of days, so look forward to that. So now I'm going to stack up all my pots over there because I like them stacked up in order of use and order of size. So I'm a little bit weird like that. I just like them organized in that particular order so that if I'm doing specific cooking around a specific pot, it's in a specific order. But yeah, this actually reminds me, I think I need to deep clean my pots, especially the base of it. I have not done that in a couple of weeks, months. Yeah, it's been a few months, so it's definitely due a deep clean. Everything's lined up, and I know I've got a missing lid for that one. So my video today is a little bit, slow compared to all my other videos. This is because I realized sometimes, yes, it's good to be intense and do all the, extreme decluttering and extreme cleaning and stuff. But then sometimes we also need the motivation to do the simple tasks. If you've had a really hard day, you need the motivation that you can get just to put dishes away, or just to get the laundry done, or just to fold the laundry and put the laundry away, like what I'm currently doing. Like, laundry for me is like the worst chore in the world, so I need as much motivation as I can possibly soak up to actually fold and put away these clothes. And I think it's because they're so small. Toddler clothes are tiny, and I think they're the most daunting ever compared to like adult clothes. But like I said, this video is just there to hopefully motivate you. It's nothing too extreme. It's just the simple stuff, the everyday things that you normally do. Putting away laundry, I normally say 3 to 5 working days, but that's me. You don't have to be as extreme as me. Some people can get their laundry done in the same day, and that is amazing. I really envy you guys, but I really hate laundry, so that's why you probably won't find a lot of laundry motivation on my channel, because I hate laundry. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how often you guys do your laundry. Do you fold it away immediately and put it away, or you're like me, 3 to 5 working days, you've got a little basket on a chair somewhere where all your laundry stays, and then you get to it whenever you can, or when you are desperate and looking for something specific. So let me know your laundry routine in the comment section below. So I'm putting the towels away as well. I have done some laundry on the towels. I'm just folded them and I'm putting them away. I'm now gonna dust the ceilings. This particular area's got little cobwebs in this doorway. I try to get much of the cobwebs and all the dust building up, and I'm gonna hoover next. So everything's probably just falling onto the ground, and hoover. And yes, I do the sofas as well. I've got a toddler, and the amount of stuff that I find on there, I probably hoover the sofas twice during the day if I possibly can, because toddlers, yes. But yeah, so I've hoovered around the house and I'm doing the sofas as well, and I'm quite happy with that. Everything looks clean, and we are now going to mop around the house. I'm going to be using the Evie Blue floor cleaner. So this is the first time I'm actually using this, and this is not the first time I've used Evie Blue products, but this floor cleaner, this is the first time. I absolutely love Evie Blue cleaning products. They're amazing. I'll put a link in the description bar below if you guys are interested in eco cleaning products. So I'll link them down below, and they are my absolute favorite. The only brand so far that I've really enjoyed using, especially because it's eco-friendly and it's non-toxic, no harsh chemicals. Absolutely love it. So like I mentioned, all of their products are eco-friendly, non-toxic, and they work really well. No strong odors. They're just fantastic. Absolutely love them. If you are interested, I'll put the link in the description bar and you guys can check them out. And the scent on this is amazing. It smells like bubblegum, watermelon, I don't know. It's kind of like a sweet smell, but it's not overpowering. But yeah, all Evie Blue products are 10 out of 10 so far. I love them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content, and also let me know in the comment section below what you guys actually enjoy about this channel. What do you love about it? Is there specific videos that you like? What actually drew you into my channel? Please let me know in the comment section below. I am now just going to give the radiator a quick damp dust, because I know like a bit of dust does collect up a bit. So giving the radiators a quick clean. But yeah, I might do a full in-depth radiator clean video soon, so look forward to that, and an updated clean with me video. And now I'm just gonna hoover the carpets and I am done. That's me done for today. Your daily cleaning routine, I will upload that actually, what it is that I clean during the day on a daily basis type of thing. I might do a weekly one and a monthly one, so look forward to those. That's it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and look forward to more videos which will be coming up on Tuesday. I do upload twice a week, so until then, you have a lovely day. But if you can't wait till then, check out my playlist or any of the videos that will be recommended. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until then, guys, you have a lovely day. Bye.